pinch, drop. Yeah.
Kia,
That's hard.
what are you doing?
Okay.
You are making nest?
Yes.
Nest for the
So,
bird?
in our previous activity, we learned about birds, right? We learned about few birds, remember? We learned about
Wow.
peacock, that's it? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, which color is this?
We learned
Yellow?
about crows, that's it? Right? That was one bird that Vinlanti didn't get it right. What was that? The kingfisher, right? The king sound, right? And then the hen makes cluck, 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 right? The duck.
Eyes लगाएंगे है ना? Beak and eyes.
So even if you do not take the sticker, it's okay because we're going to put it on the clay, right? But try taking it out. It's going to be a little difficult to take the sticker out. Yeah, because it's not coming, it's okay.
And beak.
What you can do is
Here?
just press it.
Beak.
Since it's clay, it will get stuck. Okay, yeah.
देखो beak.
Can you press it so that it sticks well? Yeah, are you doing it along with me?
Yay!
Yes, and you can press a little bit of clay over it for it to color.
Here now we will put
Green.
feathers.
And what's this color? Red, right. Okay, so now you also know the texture of the feather, right? Is it hard or soft? It's soft. So can you make all the feathers now? Okay, how are you all doing? Good. Doing it.
Wow.
It actually looks colorful, right? Yeah, earlier there were no colors. Now it looks, yeah, slightly colorful, right? After we finish, it will look very, very colorful. Yeah, so let's keep doing it. Let's, yes? Yeah, so I have my bird ready. So where will the bird be? Inside the nest, right? So let's keep the bird inside the nest.
Here, see?
Yes? Can you all see
Here,
it?
see what she did. See?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yes? So the bird is inside the nest. Okay? Now, the bird needs some eggs, right? Where are the bird's eggs?
Here is making the
This
bird
way, right? So take the next
with
clay
eyes
you
and
go.
beak.
What's the color? What's the color of this clay?
Okay. Or lion? Wow. Crocodile?
Yeah.
Very good. Elephant?